Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to take you on a tour of Naples and Belmont Shore. This part of Long Beach is one of our favorites. So come along with us and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this of Long Beach and surrounding cities. Belmont Shore and Naples in Long Beach, California have unique and appealing characteristics that draw people to these neighborhoods. Belmont Shore has a population of around 7,200 residents. It's known for its vibrant community and diverse range of amenities, including numerous shops, restaurants, and cafes along 2nd Street. The area offers a mix of urban and suburban vibes with beautiful beach access and a high walkability score, making it ideal for both relaxation and active lifestyle. Naples, inspired by Venice, Italy, features an extensive canal system that adds to its charm and appeal. This picturesque neighborhood is smaller in population compared to Belmont Shore, with about 5,400 residents. Naples is known for its serene, romantic atmosphere with gondola rides and waterfront views, making it a picturesque, tranquil place to live.
So welcome to Naples here in Long Beach, California. This particular area is surrounded by the canals. So if you're looking to live a luxury lifestyle, maybe you enjoy boating or fishing off your dock, maybe you just enjoy swimming in the bay, this particular area is the crown jewel of Long Beach. Homes in this area, on the canals typically run somewhere between $2.5 to $4.5 million. So it is a little pricey, but if you are looking to live the Southern California lifestyle down here, we are close to Seal Beach where you can surf. People love to boat, and as you can see, right across the way here, we have the peninsula. So things to do down here in Naples include kayaking, fishing. You can do stand-up paddleboarding through the canals. Right down the way is Bayshore Avenue where people come and hang out at the beach and play volleyball and hang out with friends throughout the entire day. From there, you can also walk down to Belmont Shore where you can essentially go to all the great bars and restaurants that we have down here. The lifestyle down here is really an outdoor lifestyle that is just second to none. I've lived down here for a long time in my life, and it's honestly just one of the best experiences we've ever had. And if you are looking to move to Southern California or specifically Long Beach and you're looking for that ocean lifestyle, this is maybe the place for you. We'd be happy to talk about your different options about moving down here to the Naples canals. So there's 3 predominant areas that you can move down into this area in Naples. Number 1 is the Naples canals, where you're living on the water in the canals area. The other is Belmont Shore, surrounded by 2nd Street, where you have all the bars and restaurants where you can really just walk to everything. And the other area is the peninsula, where it's a lot more private, a lot more the people that actually live in the neighborhood, so not as much street traffic. If you're considering moving down to this area and want to know the difference and what areas might be best for you, we'd love to talk to you about your different options. So we've just crossed the bridge from Naples into Belmont Shore here. Absolutely love this area of Belmont Shore. The homes here right across the street, many of them have their own personal boat docks that come along with these properties. So this is an absolute ideal area of Long Beach and Belmont Shore. Right down the street here is walking distance, right down to 2nd Street. So to get here from Naples, you just cross the bridge that you see in the background there, right into Belmont Shore where all the action's happening. So if you're looking to come down here and go to the bars, the best restaurants in town, this is definitely the place to be. Also, if you cross down the street down there, you're gonna get right onto Bayshore Avenue where we are now, and into the beach there, where probably the funnest beach in Long Beach to go hang out, meet up with friends, enjoy a good day at the beach.
Both neighborhoods boast beautiful waterfront views, picturesque canals and stunning sunsets. Proximity to the beach offers opportunities for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The vibe in these areas are friendly, tight-knit communities with active neighborhood associations and events. Numerous shops, restaurants, and cafes are within walking distance. As for outdoor activities, there is a ton. Kayaking, paddleboarding, and biking, just to name a few. These features make Belmont Shore and Naples attractive for those seeking a vibrant yet laid-back coastal living experience. The median home price in Belmont Shore is around $1.3 million. Home prices have increased by about 1% compared to last year. Homes typically sell for slightly below the asking price and stay on the market for about 33 to 68 days. In Naples, the median home price is approximately $1.8 million. Naples has a slightly higher price point and competitive market conditions similar to Belmont Shore. So we have just crossed over the bridge from Naples into Belmont Shore, and we are on Bayshore Avenue right now. And during the summer times, they actually close off the entire street from 9 to 5, so people can come to the beach, relax, bring their families, their kids.
So I've actually spent a lot of time down here living here with my daughter before Silk and I here got married. This is the ultimate lifestyle for Southern California and for Long Beach in particular. Living down here on Bayshore in the Bayshore Belmont Shore area is just the best thing I really ever experienced. You know, you're living right by the beach. You can come out and swim a mile for exercise in your backyard essentially. You come out here, stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, just so many experiences. You come down here, run into people you know and hang out with. It's just a great place to be and hang out. So if you're looking to kind of be in the scene down here in the Belmont Shore area, this is definitely the place to be.